Hello, guys. Welcome to another episode. And in this video, we are going to have something new. Okay, we are going to try trading using the moving averages as our main indicator. And by the way, we are here in IQoption. This is where I trade options. Okay, so what's different with options trading is that you will have an expiration time. You can either choose between a 1 minute, 5 minute, or 15 minute expiration, and you also have a lot of options here. This is using, for me, I'm trading a digital option. There's also what you call a binary option. So they have different requirements here. For instance, your potential profit would be at 98% if you choose a 1 minute time frame, but anything more than 5 minutes in a binary trading, your potential gain is only 67%. And I like to always use digital because it has more flexibility. At the same time, I can exit the trade anytime I want. For instance, in binary, it has a certain requirement that I cannot sell a position if you're under this time limit. Okay, but for digital, anytime I want to exit a trade, I can do that. At the same time, I only trade when the profit offering is more than 90%, so that slight movement within my bias, or if I want it to go up and it goes up by a few cents or a few percentage, that's already a gain for me and I can exit the trade. That's the reason why I only trade whenever I have this. And another thing to take note of is that I have very low amount here because I just want to exercise, of course, my key learnings on a daily basis. I want to make sure I trade. So very very strict risk management protocol I have here. All right, so um, yesterday while I was recording a video of this kind, one of our friends said that why don't I try moving averages, and I've read in so many video, I've read so many posts on the in social media that they are oftentimes using moving averages, and that's really powerful, and I believe in that. I've tried it in some of my virtual trades, and it's really it's working, but I'm not a an avid user. It's, if you are to look at it, it's really close to what I am using. It looks like a Bollinger Band too, but this is different. This is a combination of moving averages, right? So if you are to look at my settings here, what I have actually there, the settings that I have here is MA7, MA18, and MA25. So because we're just trading in faster time frames, that's why I chose those settings. And I only saw this in one of the YouTube videos. So that's the settings they have in when they trade options. Okay, so 7, 25, 7, 18, and 25. The goal here is that um, the much faster MA should be higher than the so this is the faster MA, right? MA7 must be above MA18. MA18 should be above MA25. And then if we have that format, that would simply indicate that we are in an uptrend. For instance, if I am to illustrate that here. So blue, MA7, MA18, and MA25. 18 would be the red, and then MA25 would be the yellow. So when the blue one is higher than the red is higher than the yellow, that means it's an uptrend. Also, we have to take note that you also have the oscillator over here. Um, Sometimes you have to also, well, we have to confirm that the oscillator, so the volume over here should be above the zero line to support our insights or our analysis that we are indeed in an upward movement. But I'm no expert at this, guys. That's why I'm recording this, because I want to document my trades and let us see if we are able to play this correctly. Okay, we're still practicing it because this is not really our game, so I don't really use this, but let's try using a live account using the moving averages. Okay, but let's use a, much longer time frame so that we have enough wiggle room. So right now the blue line is about to cross, right? So let's go red, I mean lower. Let us see if it is going to support our, see that blue is now below, but hey, oh no, it went up. Okay, so what we, I think we entered too early here because if our bias is that it should go down, this oscillator should also go down. But that's fine. Look, it managed to go within our uh, analysis, and we have enough wiggle room because we have 14 minutes left. Okay, I think it'll go down some more because we now have blue at the bottom, then red, and then yellow. Okay. Okay, let's take profit just to be sure. Okay, there you have it. So it'll continue to go down. Here, let us see if we still have enough wiggle room there. So your next support would be right over here. Okay. Let's wait some more. Looks like it's trying to recover now. Okay, so that's a massive jump in price. I think sometimes it also... Ah, late entry. Your internet is slow. Because you know what, sometimes when it does move drastically either to the upside or downwards, it goes back right away, like what happened here. Massive jump in the price, so it retraces right away. So sometimes I take that opportunity when it goes big movements. Okay, right. We have 12 minutes left, so hopefully it goes back. So I don't think we had a good entry there. Let's try. You have a resistance over here. Actually, this is also a resistance in a 15-minute chart. I am to draw that line. This is a resistance that we have right here. There. Because you have it here. Let me see. Oh, this is where it is now. I think it respected this line. Okay, yeah, it respected that resistance. And I think it's moving downwards again. Let's see if it moves down here, because we still have, even if it's declining already, the oscillator is not yet showing us some, some lines below the zero level. Let's try this. Okay, I see now. Okay, here, right? Okay, I see some lines moving downwards already here. Right? Yeah, come on. Move some more. Okay, good job. That's a 4 cents. Okay, let's see. It's very volatile, very risky. You really have to move fast when you want to trade options trading. I think I'd still stick to my very simple Bollinger Band. At least in that indicator, it's really simple to understand, and I can right away take action and make decisions really fast. Here, I either get in so early, yeah, sometimes I'm too early to get in and too late to get out for this. I'm gonna take profit now. Okay, let us see if it will continue to dip. What I have here, okay, this one, if I want to change the interval candlesticks, so I just click this change interval automatically, so that when I click 30 minutes, it changes the pattern on a 30-minute time frame. There you have it. If you're on a 15-minute time frame, it also follows. Okay, all right, good job. It's giving us a chance over there. So that's the reason I always want to use a longer time frame. Although you can also trade a 15 ups, it didn't capture. Yeah, sometimes you can also trade 1 minute or 5 minute time frame, but I'm more comfortable using 15-minute time frame, so that if I, let's say I must have entered at a wrong spot, there's still a chance sometimes that I will be able to recover from that wrong entry. Okay, so overall, we are still sitting at the support level here, right? On a 30-minute, much longer time frame. We're just stabilizing in this range. Let us see, that's still our resistance. Okay, so it might still continue to dip. And you have, by the way, a lot of options here. Other um, pairs. See, the other pairs are also, wow, that was good. You missed that big decline there. See? Oh, this is Bollinger Band. So the goal of this video is to really just use the MA, moving average. So far we had how many trades, right? How many trades? 3 trades, and we gained 21 cents at about $1 each. So if that's a real money, like big amount, that's already at what? 21 over 3. 0.21 divided by 3, 7% gain. Okay, so let's try this. Now moving upwards. Yeah, I think this is a promising play. Let's just have it retrace for a bit. Come on. Okay. Entered too early. Anyway, it will retrace. So let us see if it will continue to move up. Okay. $5%. 10%. Okay, let's take profit. Right. So imagine if you're already trading large amounts there. Let's say $100. Right. So that's a good $10 right away per trade. Okay, on a 5-minute chart, the movements are really low. Sometimes there's also beauty to high volatility. You can take advantage of the sudden spikes. Okay, so it's just too risky for me now because there's 3 minutes left, and if it negates our analysis, then you only have very little wiggle room there. So let me walk you through this page while we wait for this 2 minute to finish. Well, this one over here, just want to show you this. There are a lot of Filipino traders here, by the way. So you have in our country, look at these people. In just a week's time, they are able to gain profit. $3,000, $9,000. Amazing, right? My ranking this week is what? Higher than 46% of traders. Oh no, 1 minute. I really want to get in. I know it's going to go down, but too risky for me, 1 minute. So far for the last how many trades that we have, they're all gain. Okay, total of 4 trades. 21 cents and 24 cents. 4 trades. Okay, what about you? Should we get in? Actually has the right pattern now. I think it'll go down, but I don't like it. We have a few seconds left. Slight decrease. Okay, 14 minutes again. Let me go back here first. Okay, let's try this. Okay. 22 cents. Okay, let's see. So far, what I can say is that yes, 246. Looks like, yeah, we're able to play this type of indicator, but it just takes practice. In terms of my comfort level, I am not very confident yet, but looks like I can say that we're able to understand the theory and the thought process behind these indicators as displayed in how many trades that we have. We had one, three, four, five trades in total, giving us all profitable ending. So we were able to successfully trade all those with very little gains. What's important is we were able to prove that this type of indicator is indeed yeah, very powerful. And I'm assuming with a lot of practice, I'll be able to gain that comfort level the same way I have towards Bollinger Band. Yes, I and if you want to try it out, I think you can also do the same. It's nice to trade real money, but start with just small amounts first, especially because options trading is riskier than the regular trading, right? It has an expiration date. So that means if you want to protect your capital, right, you have to take action really fast. You also have to quickly take action towards buying and selling, and at the same time, you also have to you need to have a good internet connection because, as you have witnessed earlier, I think in one of the trades, I already clicked it, but it only registered a few seconds after. So that's the downside of being here in the Philippines. Our internet connection is slower than the other countries, and that's how options trading works, you guys. Okay, so if you like this type of video, just let me know. Comment down below and see if no, I just want to gauge whether you're also enjoying these types of material that we post on our channel. And hit the like if you like it. If you don't like it, just don't click the thumbs down, please. Just comment down below. Okay. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.